Turning down the noise, a simple guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that you might have heard, turn down the noise. This expression is used quite often in everyday conversation, and understanding it can really help in both listening and speaking English more naturally. So, let's get into what it means and how you can use it. Turn down the noise is a phrase that, on the surface, seems straightforward. It's a request or command to reduce the volume of noise in the environment. This could be literal, like asking someone to lower the volume of music or a TV, but it can also be used metaphorically. When used in a literal sense, turn down the noise means to decrease the sound level. It's a polite way to ask for a quieter environment. This could be useful in various scenarios, such as in a library, while working in an office, or when trying to focus on a task at home. Interestingly, this phrase can also be used metaphorically to mean reduce distractions or unnecessary information. In a world full of constant information and digital noise, this phrase might be used to ask for focus or to simplify a situation. It's about filtering out the noise that isn't helpful or relevant. Using turn down the noise in conversation is simple. Here are a couple of examples. Literal, can you turn down the noise? I'm trying to read. Metaphorical, we need to turn down the noise and focus on what's important for the project. Remember, the key is to use it appropriately based on the context, whether you're asking for a quieter physical environment or a reduction in distractions. It's also worth noting that this phrase reflects a cultural preference for peace and focus in many English-speaking communities. Respecting someone's request to turn down the noise is seen as polite and considerate. And there you have it, a closer look at the phrase, turn down the noise, and how you can use it in both literal and metaphorical senses. We hope this video helps you understand and incorporate this phrase into your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like these. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English language tips. See you next time.